Are you wondering how your dream design will look? Watch this video to find out. If you are new to the channel, we have many design inspirations for you. Hit the like button if you like the video so far. Have you ever hung a frame not in the right place? We have developed the ultimate designer's toolkit. The only thing you need to do is grab yourself a free copy on our website, designercheatsheet.com. If this video was useful, give it a like. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to grab your free copy of the Designer's Toolkit from our website, designercheatsheet.com.